I can control my passions and emotions if I can understand their nature. By Spinoza encapsulates the idea that self-control and emotional regulation can be achieved through the understanding of the underlying causes and mechanisms of one's emotions. Understanding the nature of emotions as a means to control and regulate them effectively. It reflects the idea that self-awareness and insight into the causes of emotions can enable individuals to respond more consciously and rationally to their emotional experiences, ultimately leading to greater emotional control and well-being. Comment what is your favorite quote by whom, and I will use it in the next video.